Hey, how's it going? This is Turkish Coffee. Today we starting a networking lab series with the aim of getting better and better and better, like 100 times at networking, right? So in this video, we basically, the aim of this video, apart from like basic stuff, is just creating a static route. Yeah, that's it. So let's begin working with the routers. So we will have like 2 routers. Yeah, then we'll have, of course, like 2 switches. Yeah. I'll put this closer, right? Okay, and then we'll have like, and then we'll have 2 endpoints on PC and a laptop. And I can do this. No, just let me just get another one here and another one here. Yeah, so this is like a very simple configuration. The point again is, apart from configuring the PC, the 2 endpoints here and making them communicating, the same with the router, and like configuring the router as full gateway for the 2 endpoints, and creating an static route here is like the main thing is absolutely static route. Yeah, so I give for granted that like pinging 2 devices in the same subnet is like I would say checked, right? So like the main video again is just the static route. I repeated myself 25,000 times, and now it's just time to work. For the sake of making it easy and simple, I will just use this cable here. Yeah, oh, apologies. Right, okay. Yeah, damn. Oh, damn. Okay, and this one. Okay, so now as of cables, we good. Yeah, I think I learned to do is basically just naming stuff. Yeah, and then another one would be, let me see this one maybe. Okay, and then this one, purple I like. Yeah, okay, good. Okay, so for example, we can do here node, we can do 192.168.1.1 1.0. Oh, 10.10.10.0 again, and then you can do 192.168.2.0. Huh? Okay, so now let's just start configuring stuff, if I can do it. Okay, here we go with 192.168. Sorry, 192.168.1.2. 254, Test internet IP address. Okay, we can do 1. All right, we already have this. Let's go with this one. Configure it. Okay, good. 2. Yeah. Okay. And we can just start non-programming desktop. Yeah. IP config. All right, this is 1. Ping 192.168.1.2. all right, I can ping my brother here, and then I can do the same with this IP config. This is the 2, and I'll just ping 192.168.1.1. yeah, okay, good to go. If we ping the default gateway, let's see what happens. 192.168.1.2.4. Nothing, yeah. Why? Because we haven't configured it yet. Yeah. So as of now, the switch is invisible, right? So everything goes to the switch at like in this configuration, but we don't have to touch it. What we have to touch is the router here. So we go in here and we do the following: conft it was G00, yeah, G00, interface G00, yeah, and then we go with the IP address. We can do 192.168.1.1.24, and the subnet is 255.255.255.0. okay, no shut. Okay, right, and we can do maybe, yeah, nothing. Let me see. Okay, good. Let's now try to ping it. So for example, from this box here, ping it. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, so there was some need of harping around, yeah, but then we were able to ping the router. Yeah, and again here we go from yeah, so 254. Good, so we can ping the router. Yeah, very good, fantastic. Exit. Good. So now we do the same thing with this subnet here. So this is a 2. Let me just go physical. All right, we did 2. Beautiful. Default gateway. Now we go with we're lucky here because it's going just like is auto-filling the subnet. Yeah, so we don't have to do any like tough calculation and stuff like that. Yeah, good. Default gateway is the same, and then we go for this 2. Yeah, all right. Okay, good. Let's now ping each other. IP config. Okay, ping 192.168.2.2. all right, I can ping my brother. Exit. All right, and then let's go here again. Where is it? IP config. Okay, do we still have this? No. Ping 192.168.1. No, sorry. Yeah. Okay, so good. So if I try to ping the gateway, of course, it's not working. 254 is not working because I haven't configured it yet. Yeah, so next up we go here and we configure the G01. Yeah, config, where is it? Here, enable conft interface. We select the interface G01. Yeah, and then we do IP address 192.168.2.254, and then we go with the subnet, which is 255.255. I think is should be good. Say stay up. Yeah. It's now green, I guess, and we can do just exit. Yeah, exit. Okay, exit. Good. So let's now try to ping it. Yeah, good. This is pinging. This is what the box was. This the 1, the 2, and 254. You see now is already working. Yeah, fantastic. So now we have to do like the slightly more complex thing. Yeah, which is the following. So let's get into the router here. Oh, we can also do this. Enable host name R1. Oh, apologies. Enable conft host name R1. All right, good. So I had to be in the conft type of thing. Yeah. Okay, and so next, the G0. Here we go. So allow me a second. Okay, so now we have to configure this and this so that a ping can travel through the switch. Okay, is kind of invisible as of now. Is going here. The router is telling, look, to go here you have to pass through the G01 interface. Yeah, okay. So okay, R1. Okay, good. So what next? So let's do this. G01, G00. Here we go. Conft interface G00. G00, no, G00 is already done. Apologies. G01, and then we go with this IP address. We can go with the G10.10.10. You can go with 1. Yeah, and then we tell 255, 255, 255. Sorry. 255. Oh my god, 255, 252. Okay, so this one is gonna be called, okay, now it's up. Is gonna be called this address. The .1 10.1 is this one, is this interface. Yeah, and this is very important. Yeah, and then I have to tell IP route, for example 192.168.2.0 is the command. 0 gets all. 255. Oh, 255. 255.255.255.0. It passes through 10.10.10.1, which we still have, oh, apologies, .2, which we still have to configure, but it's going to be this address. The G00 is going to have the .1, the .2, apologies, the .2. Okay, so this one, where we are now, is .1, and the next one, the next hop, is going to be .2. Okay, good. All right, so let me see if I can do it from here. Do show IP interface brief. Okay, so very good. Here we can see that the G00 is this one. This is the gateway as of now, yeah, and the G01 is this, is the .1, yeah. So now we have to do exactly the same, but from the other side, yeah. So let's try to do it. Okay, and exit. Yeah, good. Okay, so enable conft, and now the interface is G00. Okay, interface G00, and then we just give an IP, so which is gonna be IP S.2, I guess, yeah. Oh, let me, I forgot this, just give me a second. Enable conft, oh my god, conft. Okay, let's see, do show IP interface, apologies, do show IP interface brief. Okay, so G01. Okay, so of course this is 02. Do show IP interface brief. Okay, 00, yeah, 00 we give in to the 00.2. So IP interface, no, IP address 2, and the subnet, I guess, is 255.252. Yeah. No shot. Oh, shot. No shot. Okay. Do show IP interface brief. Okay, they both up, and now we have to do the route. IP route, IP tout. Apologies, but I've just changed my position on my desktop, and so I'm kind of mistyping, or like fat fingering my my keyboard. I'm very sorry for that. So the route, IP route. So we have to do this 192.168.1.0, 255.255.255.0. Okay, so the idea is a ping, which is starting from the 2.0. Okay, so let's say is going here on the default gateway, and then has to go to the next hop. Yeah, so we tell in, look, you want to go here from this subnet to this subnet. Okay, no problem. You have to do the next, you have to know you have to do the again, you have to know the next hop, which is going to be this one. Yeah, and so this one is going to be .1, 10.10.10.1.1. yeah. Okay, so it should be, let me see if I get all right. Do show IP route. Do show IP route. All right, good. So So now everything seems good. Yeah, let's just hop on this computer here and ipconfig. Yeah, so we are 2.1. yeah, and let's just again try to ping the gateway. Good, we can get to the gateway, we can get to our brother. Okay, our brother is this one, this guy here. Oops. Okay, so let's now try to ping 1.1, which is on the other subnet. Yeah, request timeout, and now we good to go. Fantastic. So tracert 192.168, oh my god, 168 1.1. And again, this is beautiful. Look how beautiful networking is. We telling, look, so tracert is a bit different, more like advanced or complex than just ping, because ping is I'm just pinging, okay, and hey, are you there? Yes, I'm here. On tracert, we are able to basically track all the hops. So basically hops networking is like steps, or if we can put it that way, it's not exactly endpoints. This is not exactly endpoints. Okay, I'm not saying it's endpoints, but it's all the steps, all the hops, you know, all the passages. I'm looking for a synonym here, which suits, yeah. Yeah, so all the steps takes like the packet to reach destination. So basically the first one is the gateway, yeah, which is my router here. The second is this guy here, yeah, and the third one is the destination. So beautiful, yeah. Okay, fantastic. Again, let's try to do this from here too, which was okay. From this, did it, and from this one, this is .1. Yeah, as you can see, it works from all the so, I mean, I can reach it. I'm on PC2 now, yeah, and PC2 is ipconfig is on the 2, yeah, 192.168.2.2 is last octet is this computer PC2, yeah. But if I want to ping, let's say my brother, I can ping it. If I want to ping the router, yeah, of course I can ping it. Then if I want to go on the other LAN, I guess I can also ping the other router. But if I want to ping these guys here, I can do it, yeah. Why? Because you have the static route, yeah. Yeah, I can also ping these, the two of them. Yeah, good. So now let's do the opposite, yeah. So and again, let's see if everything still works. Sorry, ipconfig, yeah, I'm on the 2 box number 2, so I'm now pinging my brother. Let's ping my brother. Ping 192.168.1.1. Good. I can ping him. You never know, you know, I'm just double checking stuff. Okay, good. So now I can ping my brother again. I can ping, you know, the router here. There's just one thing, which is the main thing of this video. So let's try to ping on the other subnet. And as you can see, I can ping the 2 and the 2 also. The 1, the 2 and the 2 also. I mean, it's Sunday, guys. So I can ping everything, yeah. Yeah, as you can see, beautiful. And then let's also do tracert. Okay, so here's the thing. Where is this packet going through? So the first hop is our router, which is in this case, which is the gateway. Then we have the router tree on interface G01 through the static route here, and then there is destination. Of course, I can do the same thing with one. Yeah, as you can see. So amazing, I guess, right? Yeah. So without the static route, we wouldn't be able to ping to work on the other LAN. I guess that's all for this video. This is going to be a new series on networking, and yeah, I'm very happy that I decided to learn about these things. That's been a long time coming, and yeah, probably had to do it earlier, but in life is life. Yeah, everything gets in the way and you have to handle stuff. So very good. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.